Hey, internet arborist friends. So, I'm going to see if I can rejuvenate this old YouTube account. Life was so busy with work, family, and all that it's just the YouTube stuff was really fun sharing years ago, but I just always wanted to get back to it, but never had time to do all that editing. Now I'm going to try to invest some time. I'm still doing tree work almost every day, but I'm going to try to make myself take 1 or 2 days off a week just to work on video. I have recorded all of my interesting jobs over the years, or most of them, and I think I have a lot of content to share. My plan is to put out a really short, fast action video, get you excited about it, and those that actually want to learn what they saw in there or had questions, they can go to the longer video that shows the setup, explains what tools or ropes were used, just a really long video for those that actually want to learn something. But the action videos, that might be kind of fun for the veteran guys to just watch. But those that think they want to pick up something from the action video, there should be a longer video following that. And I'm not sure with YouTube's policies on and how to make a little profit from it, but maybe we could, like, if there's a 50 cents or dollar donation thing that you can do on that or something, but I'll figure it out. The other things I'll do is modifications videos. They'll be really short, little modifications, because almost everything can be modified a little bit to make it a better tool for you to use. So I've modified a lot of things over the years and tinkered with things. And the other thing will be little tiny short video, we'll call them X tips, real little short little tip about this little thing I've noticed over the years that I did that I like, and they're going to be really short, sweet little tips, and maybe it'll help somebody out. So anyway, I hope you enjoy the channel. Please, as they always say, please subscribe, please hit the thumbs up and hit the bell for notifications so you know when a new video is out. Anyway, take care, and I hope you guys visit the channel and subscribe. Thank you.